like it, and it sounded like it had the two-stroke and it was a quad, so it looked like a Suzuki. Muddy ride. Muddy ride on my Yamaha Banshee. That's what the video is gonna be, bro. Yes, I do carry a knife with me for a reason. I'm gonna get a bigger knife soon, though. I would like to get one that could fit in my boot, like a boot knife. What the fuck? Like, kind of like the Smith & Wesson HRT boot knife. Like that one? Yes. Like a back of my hand. I've done it before. I'm riding cautiously, that's why, dude. I'm not into that fast-paced shit, honestly. I am at certain points. Like, I'll do it when I have time and there's an open street or whatever like that, but like, I don't do that, bro. I'm gonna try not to talk too much so y'all can hear this two-stroke. Hopefully the camera doesn't get messed up. I'm gonna hope. And I'm gonna hope that my audio isn't messed up either, because it gets messed up quick. Wow, this is just mud, bro. This is what these bikes were covered in. This is what these bikes, I saw bikes coming here, all covered in this. This is what it's covered in, bro. Look at this, bro. Oh my god. Bro, this thing moves. Look at this. Yo! Oh my god, I didn't want to, I shouldn't have brung this, bro. It's gonna get me good views probably, but if y'all like my dad's Banshee more, y'all can buy it. I mean, it's just for sale, so just hit me up. I can tell you where to meet up. You can hit me up, bro. I'll just stop behind me. 9,000 for my dad's bike. He's a little negotiable, so. school. Shamrock, 3 meters or 3 miles. Maybe miles. Oh shit, that's a long ways. Eh, maybe not. We just caught up like it's nothing. Oh, I just got dirt on my face doing that. All the time actually, because you just barely go up and then yeah, camera right there. Well, there's a stand-up jet ski sitting there. No. Oh, no. No.
Hey. Go right.
Yo, hold up. I might go down it. Can you back up real quick? Alright, you got it. Thanks. Oh, no. Woo! 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 Oh my god, that's scary. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. That's scary. Yo, that's scary. I don't do that shit on a daily. Okay.
That takes a little rubber off.
What'd you say?
That takes
like Hatfield McCoy kind of, but we're not in West Virginia, unfortunately we're not. But I think we're gonna go there this summer. So yo, slow down, slow down, slow down. Stop being on my ass. God, this is a fucking hill, dude. I mean, going up it isn't that bad, these hills. I can go up these hills like nothing, but going down them is scary, dude. I don't like going down hills like this shit. This is like fucking like drop, dude. Like, I mean, we're gonna go also, I think, South Carolina to go to Carolina Adventure World. That's like 9 to 10 hours from here. We're gonna stay there for a couple of days. Same with Hatfield McCoy. We're gonna do that like a couple weeks after it to start the next summer off. You know, that'll be fun. I'll have videos. I'm gonna bring all my shit, and then when I get back, I'm gonna actually post all the videos. So it will be a little bit later that you'll see the videos online. But we're driving there, of course, so you know, a little scary, I guess. It's a long ass drive, bro. It's a long ass drive, so you guys will see it, and when I have it done, hopefully I get some good views on it at least. We'll travel down there for nothing. But I also want to go to Busco Beach, maybe. Not with this though, maybe with the Raptor. I think I'm gonna go to Hatfield with the Raptor. I don't know, actually, to be honest. Slow down. Slow down. Yo, does my brake light light up? I don't know. Oh my god. Yo, stay right here. There's a big drop. Stay right there. Oh my god, that's a huge ass drop. I'm gonna go down it faster, then go up it. Oh my god. Woo! Slow down. Oh, I don't think so, bro.
Now, that guy went down with it. You want me to go first?
No. No, 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 no. I'm not doing it. Turn around. Turn around. It's fucking like this. No. No, no. Okay. Dude, I'm not going down it, so I'm not going after you. Yo, what are you doing? I'm not going down that. go that way and reverse. Go in that way and reverse out. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move it from in there. I can't get back up this so fucking hell. I can't, dude. I gotta go down there first. That's why I'm waiting for you. I don't care, we're going the wrong way, dude. I ain't doing this.
Go down there. You wanna go?
Nope.
Huh?
No, I'm not going down it.
Going down?
No, I'm not.
That way.
Yeah, but I have to turn around right there, so come on, move out of the way. Oh, fuck no.
Go down it.
Hell no, that goes right in.
That bad.
No, that goes right into a fucking steep hill. Hell no.
They called you a sissy. Come on.
Fuck no, I'm not doing that.
Why?
I'm not doing it. Come on, move. Help me move my bike.
Oh my God. Your shit is ready. Just, dude. Turn around. Cut the wheel. Cut the wheel.
Cut the wheel where?
Huh? You could just go down. All you gotta do is step on the brakes.
I don't want to go down.
Huh?
I don't want to go down.
Go get on it and turn. Drive. Oh, you tripping shit. That's the whole point of it. Yo, I went down steep hill.
I really don't give a fuck. I'm not trying to risk my life, bro. If I was on the other bike, maybe. Yeah, hell no. That's a bad hill, and if you need to go back up it, yeah, go fuck yourself on that one. I can go up hills really easily, just not down it, dude. Like if I'm on this, I'm just gonna bog it up. That's what's nice about the two-stroke. You can just bog it all the way up in like second gear going real slow. Yeah. Nah, bro. They calling me a sissy, bro. I don't give a fuck what they say. I really don't. I really don't care, bro. I'm not doing this, bro. I'm here to have fun. I'm not here to fucking kill myself, bro. That right there is like a death sentence, dude. I have to see somebody go down it first. Even if they went down it with my bike, yeah, I'll go down it then. That's the thing, I'd have to slide the fuck down there.